Hello, hi everyone. Hope you had a good trading session today. Today we saw that Nifty has opened with a gap down of around 70 points and later it is merely a range bound, and once it has reached around 700, 1700 and 450 level, it again started regaining and it is now trading at the opening level. I took this fall as an opportunity to buy some other stocks to include them in my portfolio. To name them, Astridium, Coffee Day, Devyani, Kelton Tech, Exchanging, and Selfmark. Most of these stocks are in the range of 200, 300 rupees per share. Now, I'll show you the reason behind why I took these stocks at this moment. Coming to AstraDM, I was observing this stock to be getting consolidated around this range, around 210. After once it has actually went to around 237 levels, and later it started correcting, and now it has reached this level, and now trying to consolidate. And along with that, I'm also looking at the accumulation and distribution. It is fairly straight, and that means there is no big sell off or big buying. I'm thinking this is a right opportunity to keep this stock in my portfolio. That's the reason I purchased them. And the next stock is a Coffee Day. So it is an Indian enterprise coffee chain. Actually, after the issues with the management and all, now actually I see this is at the right levels. It's at the lower levels, I can say, why it had been always around. It has touched around 50 rupees per share, and it is quite volatile. And I see this as a dynamic support, and then now I have a confirmation that it is actually regaining its momentum and it is going to further increase in terms of the price. And I also see that this accumulation is pretty constant, and the price is also increasing. That means there is some kind of momentum that is going to come up, some divergence that is happening here. I'm expecting this to give some kind of movement in the coming days. Then coming to Devyani, it has opened an IPO recently and it has a significant fall off. They thereafter it tried to regain, and I was actually waiting for this particular level which has hit two times, once second, and now it is at this particular third level. I'm expecting today it is going to be a pin bar. That means a rejection at this particular level, and from tomorrow onwards it has to pick the momentum and move upwards. Let's see what happens. I have bought some of these stocks also today when market has fallen. Then Kelton Tech is actually I felt this is a right opportunity, and it is at the long-term support levels. And if we can see that there is some kind of a big green candle, and there is a pin bar. Sorry, let me move it up, and there is a pin bar at this particular level that shows that there may be, this is not exactly a pin bar, but I'm waiting it to be a pin bar once it closes the trade today. So at this particular level there is a pin bar that is trying to happen. I'm expecting this to regain its momentum, and we'll get some kind of profits over there. Then moving to exchanging. So this I've been observing since a long time. It is consolidating a lot from here to here, and it's been a very narrow CPR. Even then, it was kind of a range bound for significant amount of time, trading in between these long-term support and resistance zone that has been happening. So actually, I thought let me accumulate some of these stocks before it gives some kind of breakout. So I'm expecting some kind of a this triangle pattern, and let me just draw you like this. I'm expecting some kind of a breakout here, and yeah, let's see what happens. I have purchased some of these stocks today. Then Zeltmok, here I drawed this kind of a triangular pattern, and today I am actually also expecting that it has to break out in one or two coming trading sessions. So here I observe this accumulation is stagnant, and we can see after a significant sell-off, the consolidation period is going on. Maybe once it gains significant volume, it should raise its price. We'll see how it goes in terms of the trading sessions going forward. Yeah, that's all for today, and I will just show you how my uh, portfolio is looking like at around closing session. So this is how it is. Yesterday, I'm 81 rupees profit. I just purchased a minimum amount of stocks. Coffee Day is in profit only. Devyani, Kelton Tech exchanging around 10%, 10 rupees loss, not 10%, 10 rupees loss. We'll see how these things will happen in the coming trading sessions. And Zeltmark, I see 250 rupees profit. I actually sold some of my shipping corporation stocks around 280 or something, but I thought I shouldn't be selling this at this point. I wanted to hold it, then I actually took them back when I saw the right opportunity. Now actually it is doing at a higher level. That means I'm happy for that actually. Going forward, I would like to keep the shipping corporation because of this good news that is coming over. So that's all for today. Thank you. Hope this session is useful for all of you. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Please do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.